Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the Hobbymate FrSky compatible D16 receiver. In this video I'm going to quickly go over its features and show you how to set it up, test its range, and also Hobbymate are sponsoring a giveaway, so 3 winners are going to win this receiver. The Hobbymate D16 receiver comes inside this small bag. On the bag itself you can find the connectors diagram, and along with the receiver you're also getting these 2 connectors. The Hobbymate receiver is using the same 5-pins connector that the FrSky RSSI is using. However, the layout of the connectors is not identical. On both receivers you can find the ground and the VCC pins on top, and by the way, the walk-in voltage of the Hobbymate receiver is between 4 to 6 volts. Next on the RSSI you can find the S.port, which is located over here, so it's the 4th pin from the top. The SBUS out/CPPM is the 4th pin from the top on the RSSI, and it's the 3rd one on the Hobbymate receiver, so the Hobbymate receiver supports only SBUS. Finally, on the RSSI receiver you can find the SBUS in, which is part of the redundancy feature that enables you to connect multiple receivers simultaneously, and if one of them fails, it serves as a backup. And this feature is not supported on the Hobbymate receiver, so the 5th pin is the RSSI pad, which is also available on the RSSI, but not very conveniently, so you'll have to solder a very teeny pad in order to get it. And on the Hobbymate receiver, it's very convenient to connect this receiver to your flight controller and get the RSSI. The weight of the Hobbymate receiver is 2.44 grams, so it's heavier than the FrSky RSSI. In addition, it is also a little bit bigger, and its dimensions are 16.4 by 24.2 by 5.9 millimeters. The length of the antennas of the Hobbymate receiver is about 9 centimeters, so the length is identical to the FrSky RSSI receiver. However, the difference between the antennas is that the FrSky RSSI is using the smaller form of the IPEX connector, whereas the Hobbymate is using the bigger one. In my experience, it's a little bit hard to use these small antennas, and using the bigger version is a little bit more convenient. Just like the RSSI receiver, in order to bind the Hobbymate receiver, you will need to power it up while pressing the bind button, which is located over here. Now, as you can see, both LEDs are on, which indicates that the receiver is on binding mode. Then on your FrSky remote controller, set the mode to D16, hit bind, and as you can see, now the LED indicator over here is flashing, which means that the receiver was successfully bound. Then hit exit, disconnect the receiver, and as you can see, now we're getting the RSSI. In order to display the RSSI on your on-screen display, you can either use the RSSI pad and connect it to the RSSI pad on the flight controller, or you can use one of the auxiliary channels in order to broadcast the RSSI. So for example, under inputs, I configured the RSSI source. The scale should be 100 dB, the weight 100, and then under mixer, use the source that you predefined before. For one of the auxiliary channels, the weight should be 200 and the offset -100. Then under Betaflight configuration, configure the auxiliary port that you just used as the input source for the RSSI. In terms of pricing, the Hobbymate receiver costs about $20 in the Amazon store and $17 if you buy directly from Hobbycool, so it's a little bit cheaper than the FrSky RSSI, and I'm also going to include a coupon in the description box down below that will reduce the price by 15%. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, Hobbymate are sponsoring a giveaway, so 3 lucky winners are going to win this receiver, and what you're going to get is a coupon code that is going to reduce the price by 100% if you buy through the Amazon store, so you might have to pay shipping if you live outside of the US. In order to participate in the giveaway, make sure to be subscribed to my channel and turn on the notification bell, so in case you're the winner, you're not going to miss out. Once this video is going to reach 1000 views, I'm going to announce the winners. The next thing I've done is to mount the Hobbymate receiver on my Gepper C Mark II, and I headed outdoors and tested it out. I can tell you that in terms of range, the Hobbymate receiver is pretty much at par with the FrSky RSSI receiver. After about 1 kilometer in an open environment, the telemetry was lost, however the receiver was still responding, but I didn't want to get too far without the telemetry working. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video. As always, if you have any questions about the Hobbymate D16 receiver, feel free to ask it in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.